Most people get this wrong. They assume all regional banks are the same, but Hancock Whitney Bank offers some unique services that are worth knowing. Today, I'm giving you an honest review before deciding to bank with them. Hancock Whitney is a U.S.-based regional bank primarily operating in the Gulf Coast. One of its biggest strengths is personal service. Branches are attentive, and many customers report helpful staff for both personal and business banking. They offer standard products like checking, savings, credit cards, mortgages, and personal loans. Online banking is straightforward, with mobile apps for account management, bill pay, and transfers. One surprising truth is that Hancock Whitney also supports small businesses with dedicated business accounts and lending solutions, making it a good choice for local entrepreneurs. On the downside, the bank has fewer branches and ATMs outside its main service area, which can be inconvenient for frequent travelers. Some fees may also be higher than larger national banks, so it's important to check account terms carefully. In conclusion, Hancock Whitney Bank is a solid choice if you value regional banking with personalized service, especially if you live or work in their primary regions. Just be mindful of branch accessibility if you travel often. Subscribe for more honest bank reviews and financial tips to help you choose the best banking option.